that's what it's supposed to be. They acting like they know me. I swear that shit get old to me. Past week, I'm trying to get high, yeah. She just wanna throw it back and do her best. She look at me like Superman, that ass on my chest. The way I got these niggas mad, I think I need a vest. They talk too much, I think it's cool when y'all be doing less. Don't sweat it. She just get me right tonight. She can be my medic. You got me in here.
What up? Fuck, dude. Ooh, new profile pic? Yeah, I gotta make this my new one on Instagram. Yo, this actually looks fly as fuck, boy.
Don't mind my fucking. Don't mind my.
Anyways, let's see if we're live. Yo, what's up, bees? What's up, brother? What's up, my brother? How you doing? How you doing, mate? Dude, I like Nas. The fuck? Invert that gap, bro. It's too early, though. Jesus Christ. Jeez, bro. I'm gonna just wait for 950. Yeah, I'm not dealing with this today. It's CPI day, you know? Got a nice fair value gap. Got a nice fair value gap there, mate. Yeah, it's gonna be a pretty chill day today. Honestly, I'm not really looking to take a trade, but I'm lying. I'm so lying. I really want to trade, but I don't want. Like, my trading plan is telling me not to because it's CPI, but this looks really good. I don't even have like a solid trading plan just yet. And that's probably an issue, but don't start, okay? Don't fucking start with me. Oh yeah, this is probably not going long. Let's just be real. Let's just be real. Let's just be real. Let's just be real. Can't forget the C-Max Solank, baby. What are you talking about? I'm not gonna lie, I already have like 2 sprays. This shit's telling you. Anyways, 15-minute, we got a order block right there, which is probably gonna get disrespected, more than likely. CP already happened at 8:30. Talking about the pass, little bro. Why are you talking about the pass, little bro? Fuck. Dude. So I hit the gym this morning. Okay, we're making progress. And I'm not gonna lie, I just did like 30 minutes on the fucking treadmill. Whew. That was good. I don't know why I don't do that more often. Okay, so we have this nice rejection here. Based off of what I saw, okay, don't fucking roast me. Based off what I saw here in this, when I opened the fucking chart, it looked like this was a nice long. If the daily candle was in line, and the weekly candle obviously, but the daily is telling me that we're probably going lower, you know? Oh yeah, we're definitely going to these equal lows down here, for sure. Nas to 24,172. Or 57, goddamn. Or nah, it's right here. 54.25. What is this 4 hour saying? The fuck is this 4 hour saying, bro? Yeah, this is gonna be hard to trade. I'm not even gonna lie, but if my bias, like if I just hold a bearish bias, which is probably gonna spool lower because Wednesday, dude, I called it out. Wednesday was a high of the week. That's crazy. It's an identity shift. You have to brainwash yourself into believing it before it happens. Head ass. Head ass. Head ass, boy. What are these testimonials looking like? Wow. Dude, is Effectify a good firm? I heard they have like fast daily payouts. Dude, it's so funny. I watched this reel the other day. I watched a lot of reels, and dude, they're like traders when the unprofitable traders when the prop firms lower their payout limit. Unprofitable traders when prop firms limit their payouts. Like, bro, what payouts? That's why I don't really be giving a fuck about the payouts, because I haven't had a payout in a long time. Just being completely real. Well, to be fair, that was like back in, I think, October. Damn, that is a long time. Well, I'm back at it, so. Dude, I hated trading during my job, bro. That shit was ass. Okay, I think we're definitely gonna run this order block. I'm looking at this inversion gap here for 950 on the 15-minute chart. On the 15 minute. I would also kind of expect price to pull back all the way up here, kind of fake people out, and then come back down. That would make sense. That would make sense. I just don't feel like buying here, you know? You can tell me otherwise, but yeah, we swept this, or actually we didn't sweep this high. Dude, I've been getting such shitty sleep lately. Shitty sleep lately. Hello, baby. Yo, I actually, dude, I just asked ChatGPT to make me like like a caricature. Like a caricature, sort of, you know, profile pic. And look what it gave me. Actually, I'll just pull it up on screen. What the fuck? Keenan.com? When the fuck did I ever search that? Oh, mate. Look at this. Look at this joint, bro. That shit's sexy, low-key. Dude, funded account, solar closer with the $500, 667 with the starred hat, bro. I can wear that hat right now. Yeah, it's a fire hat. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Ah, fuck. You see? This is what I fucking get for being a closer. Dude, I just don't like how spotty like trading view is. I just paid like $115 to get the fucking damn, bro. Low key, this would have been a nice entry at 935. Damn, I should have looked at the 15-second chart. I would have gone short probably here, and then had my stops like above here. That would make sense to me. But I probably wouldn't have. I probably would have gotten out if I saw this candle, or maybe trailed my stop to here once it did this. You know what I'm saying? Dude, that song I was listening to earlier, fucking fire.
Last week we went back to the crib, did round two. I don't even know how the hell I even found you. I got the key to a car and a house too, house too, house too, house too.
Let's go big rock, ice down, G-shot, your rip sheet rock, just staying under. Let's go heat hot, get on my teapot, shawty want the drip drop, bitch I come with thunder. I'm the king of you.
Yeah, I'm still waiting on this shit, dude. Anyways. Yeah, so I was trying to go short here. But it looks like I might just have to wait for this 4 hour to inverse, if it wants to inverse that gap, and then retest perhaps. What the fuck is ES doing? Oh, you see ES? Yeah, ES is already respecting this inversion right here. And it's probably going for this low. I'm gonna just set like a target for right here for ES. I just hope I'm able to get an entry because this is the same target, I think 2 a.m. or was that 10 p.m.? Oh, this is 6 p.m. Okay, well, we can set a target for here. I think that's pretty reasonable. Because like whenever there's a big spool like this, what I've always seen happen is, and this is kind of just intuition, but I've always seen price whenever it reaches a 4 hour level like this, like a low, a candle low, it always fucking plays around. So if you're on the 1 minute, which I'm trading, you'll probably see a bunch of just bullshit happen around your exits. So I'd rather just target the most recent low. Yeah, I don't really feel like buying this at all. If this, if Nas wants to dump, bro, so be it, or go up, so be it, but I don't feel like buying this at all. Damn, this looks really good though. Fuck, this inversion gap looked really good. I just don't feel like buying this shit. I don't think this is gonna be a successful buy if we, but like there is liquidity up here, yada yada yada. We did just tap into this order block on the 4 hour. Yeah, this is probably gonna rip. Oh, it is TGIF, right? So I mean, possibly. Damn, bro. Yeah, I might be on stream for a little longer today because I missed this spool. This is a firm I'm using. Login. God fucking damn, bro. Dude, I hate fucking why can't I just auto-save my freaking password, bro? I have to fucking do this every single time. Jeez. It's like actually pissing me off. Thank you for the purchase from TradingView. You're welcome, bitch. You're very fucking welcome. So yeah, I'm up $700 on this funded. God fucking damn, bro. Holy shit. Yeah, I'm a retard for saying shorts. I'm an actual fucking retard for saying shorts. Dude, this would have been a 100-point fucking win right here, dude. I would have probably gone in maybe like 4 micros and had like a 30-point stop. I'm not having a fucking 60-point stop, bro. The fuck. Yeah, but I just didn't see this going long, so, you know, I'm okay with it. I'm okay. If this inverts, you know, fuck it. You know, you just gotta listen to market, right? But yeah, I was betting on this 4-hour to close. Well, I was just waiting for this 4-hour to possibly close below, and then the next 4-hour candle. But we're probably gonna reprice to these highs right now, if I were to guess, because this just looks super nice. If we can at least, like, honestly, if I were to be able to get into this trade, I'd probably take my low-hanging fruit right here. At this high, if I'm able to get in, if the market presents itself. But I think that we're probably going to head to this high, or this gap, excuse me. If, the fuck? Gotta get my colors right type shit. I'm gonna just delete this. Yeah, dude, this looks super nice. Wow. Whew. Dude, I can't fucking sit right in this chair, bro. Jesus Christ. Okay, cool. I think I'm gonna get in on this gap if I see a 5-minute entry and then get in on the 1 minute on a 1 minute inversion or something like that. If I can get a fucking entry before dude. Naz, what the fuck are we doing, brother? What the fuck are we doing? What are we doing, babe? What are we doing, baby? What are we doing? Goddamn. Two viewers. Bees, I know you're one of my viewers. Who's the fucking second viewer? Show yourself. Show yourself, bitch. Sorry. I'm a little fucking hyped up right now. Dude, okay. What's gold doing? Let's see what's gold. Let's go with gold. I don't know why the fuck I've been looking at Naz. Dude, yeah, gold is gonna rip. Gold is gonna rip to the upside for sure. There really isn't a gap. I mean, other than this volume imbalance, I guess, that we can reprice off of. I'd rather take Naz, but I feel like for some butt-fuck reason, Naz is gonna do something to me. Like, okay, now we're taking this liquidity. Is this high going to be a protected high? I don't know. I really don't, but we're below the open, okay? We'll just wait for the next 18 seconds for this candle to close, and then if we can get an entry like here, that would be sick. Dude, don't fucking do that now. Don't do that. Just close above the fucking order block. Oh my, and it closed below the gap. Nice. Okay. I'm not getting in that shit. That low-key just tells me Naz is... I don't know. I don't know what it tells me just yet. My bias right now was shorts. Or before was shorts. Wow, okay. Wow. I just blew my 3 funded Lucid accounts going short earlier. God damn. Sorry for your loss, brother. Dude, I could blow evals, but I hate blowing funded accounts, bro. Like, fucking hate that shit. Dude, I don't even know anymore, bro. I don't even know anymore about this. This is low-key a breaker right here. To some extent. This would have been a nice short. That 15-second. Boy. Damn, bro, that's crazy. That's actually crazy. 3? Fuck, dude. Why don't you take it slower? Like, I feel like with our skill set right now, we can afford to blow evals, right? Like mentally, I feel okay with blowing evals. Because at the end of the day, bro, what the fuck are we doing on an eval still? Like my boy, his name's Angelo. This guy has like 500 accounts, I think, on Top Step, which is fucking ass, Top Step, I think, just based off of what I've heard. Okay, I might get in short. I might. I feel like it's not a good idea. I'm gonna just wait, see what the market says, and we'll see. We'll see. Sorry, I had to mute myself there. Fuck, I don't know about getting in short. I don't know about it. But we're just in between like levels right now, which is like kind of crazy. Okay, I might get in this long. I like this. Let's see. Alright, yeah, I think I'm gonna get in. Okay, if we can, I'm gonna go in long. If this isn't just another reprice to this fucking gap. Holy shit. This is the first presented fair value gap here. We're still above it. We touched it. Like I touched you. And we're in this order block as well. We didn't really break structure because this closed below, but we are tapping back into this order block on that 4 hour. ES inverted this gap on the 5 minute, which is kind of nice.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm getting 4 contracts there long. I like this reprice. Shit, I think I'm in too deep. I might close one position, but I'm in super deep in this trade for my risk tolerance on this account. I guess you could say my mental stop loss was down here. I was ready to get out. Come on, Az. Let's fucking spool, baby. Let's go. Nice little fair value gap here. Stay above it. Please, Naz. I'm in with the same risk, to be honest. like this though. Dude, don't fucking start with the repricing, bro. Fucking start with it. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get out. Jesus Christ.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm out. Well, that was a $500 loss. God damn. Okay. I don't feel so great. I mean, I think this was a... fuck, let me see. Let's just see, okay? I just got a... What's this called? I got goofed. I got fucking goofed. Dude, I'm actually retarded. I forgot to check the... I keep doing shit like this, bro. It's actually retarded. I forgot to check... What's it called? I think I'm gonna go short, though. I forgot to check the amount of points this was. Dude, I keep fucking forgetting. I don't know why I kind of like this idea still for longs, but I can see this going short still for sure. I mean, this 5 minute holding pretty well. Took this high, tricked me into going into this order block higher, which, you know, some would say, like, with for me, at least for me, this took out this liquidity, didn't break structure, left this equal high, but this is low-key a protected high. Like, this is probably not going to get ran through because this ran liquidity, this ran this liquidity, so I think I'm going to go short. If I can get an entry.
Order filled.
I'm gonna go in short 2 contracts on micros on NAS. We'll see what this does. I think my stop is gonna be like right there. $118 points, huh? There's my entry at 691. I like that we tapped this gap. I'm gonna see if we can keep this. Oh. God damn, is there fucking news right now? Okay, if this goes above this, I'm definitely closing. And I'm gonna just take the L for today. Yeah, I'm gonna just have to take this to the fucking chin, bro.
Order filled.
Holy shit. Yeah, this is a bad day. Okay, I just literally lost everything I made this week. I don't know, chat. My 2 Apex funded accounts are gone now. Dude, this is tough. Yeah, this is a tough one. Yeah, this was a tough one. So I went long because I saw this inversion. We broke in structure a little bit. And then I went short because we're respecting this gap. Tapped into this. Dude, it's just so fucking volatile right now. Like, it's extremely volatile. Probably shouldn't even be trading this. But at this point, what I'm thinking is I'll probably be done for today. Get back to it next week. Yeah, I'll probably be done for today. I'm gonna be really pissed if this goes up. Alright, I'm gonna get in one more trade. This is all right.
Order filled.
I'm gonna get in there one more time. Just to see what it do, you know? You know? I'm gonna try to make back some losses. I think this is probably going up now. I hate that I'm inside of the range. Like, I'm literally at the midpoint of the range. But my thought process here is we just inverted this. We just took this low, spooled, inverted this fair value gap. So this should be pretty clean high to run through, if I'm correct. So, yeah. But then again, we have that 5-minute fucking inversion gap that's being a bitch. Not inversion gap, but you know what I'm saying. Yeah, dude, if this comes down here, I'm definitely done for the day. I'm just getting chopped up. But it's okay. We'll keep on keeping on. I'll just buy more fucking evals. I told you, I'm literally the liquidity of I'm liquidity. For right now though, okay? I'm gonna be a lot better in the future. Now. Right now. I'm playing, but honestly, I'm okay with these losses. I think I would I just got faked out by the market twice. And I think I'll be right about this trade. I think. I don't know. Who knows? We just took this low. This should spool. If it's going up, this should spool. And if I'm wrong, I'm okay with being wrong. Like, it just is what it is. And to be fair, I probably should get off the 15-second chart. Wow, this literally hit this low. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna put my stop slightly lower. Yeah, slightly lower. Just to kind of see. Don't try this at home, kids. 711.25. Yeah, like I should be out at this point if it hits this. Okay.
Stop filled.
All right. Stop has been filled. Down about, I think, 1,000. Yeah, 1,000 on the day on my funded account. God damn. Yeah, that was crazy. Well, negative 2% on there. Is this like tradable in your eyes, whoever's watching Bees? Do you think this is tradable? Like, okay, maybe if you were a fucking god or a goddess and got in here short, like, I could understand that. I just didn't want to go short here because kind of want to go short again. But I'll just be a retard doing that. So I'm just gonna... What is my max loss on this? Fuck, dude. It was going so well. Yeah, this is typically the way it goes on your first couple of fundeds, which is kind of the reason why I don't blame you, bees. Like, it just is what it is. Damn, that's crazy. In hindsight, it made a bearish SMT, but it isn't spooling lower and it's just chopping. Yeah. Kind of want to go long here. I might be a retard for doing that. Should I just be a zen person and just leave with my three losing trades for today? Or should I gamble? It's like at this point, I think this is where I'm watching myself in real time. Like, this is definitely chop. I'm not trading this shit. Because, like, this is just revenge trading at this point. And I think I understand that. But when I see shit like this on YM, like, oh, it's spooling and just tap this order block. And yeah. It's like... Right,
Order filled.
There. Revenge. Dude, I literally contradict myself all the time. This is a big issue of mine, which I'm trying to fix, which is obviously, I'm not trying, it's not working. But it's like, you recognize the chop, you recognize that you've been wrong like 3 times in a fucking row. Or maybe not wrong, you're just not good entries. Like this, I'm fine with this entry. Not fine with this entry, like at all. At this point, I'm just trying to get back to break even on this account. Okay, I'm gonna move my stops here. I don't know if I should do that, but I want to add another position just for good measure.
Order filled.
All right, I'm in 4. This should spool. I would add another position here if I was a real gambler. Yeah, it sucks. Like, yesterday I kind of left. Like, this is exactly what could have happened yesterday. Of like over trading and then losing and then potentially blowing the entire account. Should probably get out. Yeah, if this loses, I'm definitely done. I don't want to see this come back here. I don't want to see this come back here. This should be a risk-free trade at this point. God damn it. God damn it. The fuck, NQ? The fuck? I think we finally inverted the gap. Oh, we did. I'm a retard. I wasn't looking at that. Okay, so this is a trade that I was looking for. Okay, so don't fucking cook me. Jesus Christ. All right, if we take this high, I'm only down like 500 bucks. And more than likely, I'm going to probably try and hold for this high. I'm gonna add an alert here on ES. I'm honestly gonna try and scale in just to try and recoup some more. Spool Naz, you got it. What is this? 815. Come back here, I dare you. I dare you to come back here. I'm already in profit. Might as well scale in. Might as well.
Order filled.
God damn, okay. So I'm in 6 micros. Don't try this at home. The way Naz is acting, like, this could easily just fucking stop me out right now. But I'm betting on that 1 minute inversion. Also this order block. So if this doesn't hold, then I'm just a retard. I should have never got in. Dude, just blast. Just blast. Go, Naz. Just fucking blast. I'm in pretty heavy risk for what I just lost. I think this is a break even. I'm gonna put my stops at break even there. This should spool right here. Silver lining, I got my MF funded account situated, so I still have that. Hell yeah. Silver lining, brother. I think it's also my issue that, fuck. Should I put my stops there? Hold on. All right.
Order filled.
Yeah, this was a terrible, terrible day. I could have just, yeah, so this is what happens, I guess, when you try to scale into the market, chopping market, with too much risk, probably. Just took another $300 loss. Okay, yeah, I'm done. What I'm going to do is get more accounts. What the fuck else can I do? This account is probably blown, if I'm being real. I wouldn't want to go short here. And that's the thing, like, if I were to just held this, like, okay, I kind of want to go long again. Dude, I'm definitely over trading. Definitely over. I'm revenge trading for sure. Dude, I just hate this fucking market right now. God, I hate this shit. Show me a rejection. Okay. Show me your balls, bitch. You shouldn't have held. Yeah. I shouldn't have done a lot of things today. I shouldn't have traded. I literally came into the market today saying I didn't want to fucking trade. I did. But it's fucking CPI day. But it's all your fault, bees. I'm just playing. You told me to trade. You told me to trade, motherfucker. I'm just kidding. Okay, cool. Lori. Oh, I was like, what the fuck? Oh, this is for Monday, okay. Sorry, I'm just looking at my fucking work notes. Make sure I'm good. Okay, I kind of like the idea of shorts now. Fuck it, dude. I'm gonna just, I just really want to, like, just... Got fucking chopped today, bro. So this is a propulsion block, I guess you could say, for longs, but... Dude, we're just in between so many fucking levels. Like, it's hard to read this shit. Genuinely. I think I'm gonna go long here, though.
Order filled.
Fuck it. Yeah, this account is probably blown. Oh shit, am I in 6? Oh, dude, yeah, I'm retarded. Or am I? Market, I'm retarded. Prove me wrong. I shouldn't have done a lot of things today, and this is what I was saying earlier. Right? Like, you get into this mindset of, and again, I'm no psychologist, but I've had my fair share of experience in this fuck-ass market. You get into, like, this place where, and dude, look how fucking volatile this is, bro. I've never seen the market move this quickly. Genuinely, I've never seen this before. Like, I've seen it move, like, well, I am on the 15-second chart. What the fuck am I saying? But, like, it's, like, glitching, almost. This is just an observation. I'm not blaming this at all on my bad trading today. But what I was saying about the psychology of it is, once you lose your first trade, or for me, this is what I'm seeing, like, once I lose my first trade, I take a second one to try to get back to break even. See, like, what the fuck is this, bro? I mean, I'm not complaining. Go on. Go on, king. Go on, king. Dude, if this just reprices up.
Order filled.
I'm closing my fucking charts, bro. Yeah. Okay, so let me finish my sentence on what I was saying. Damn, bro, this is still gonna go up, huh? Like, dude, you get into the state of wanting to make it back, and you see a really good trade. I'm happy with my first 2 losses, okay? I'm happy that I took those trades. Maybe not the second trade, but obviously, like, I came into this thinking we're short, probably, because, like, we're in this down spiral market, kind of. And there's nothing to really hit other than these highs, right? Going long, my my thought process is that we're going to hit this order block and continue to the upside, happily to these highs, right? So I'm happy with this loss. Like, I have no problem with this at all. Like, we take liquidity, we go up. Only thing I probably should have had precaution with is this fair value gap. The reason why I didn't have precaution today was because it was very volatile, and I was just thinking that it was going to continue spooling, right? It's fucking Friday. Fridays are usually pretty volatile as well. Yeah, I don't know. I stayed in that trade, that last trade, because I wanted to recoup my losses, like all of it, like a real gambler. Which yesterday, if you watched the stream, the same shit happened, but I was actually correct. Well, my entries were good, my stops were good, I wasn't getting chopped like this. So whenever you lose twice, 3 times, you're like, fuck, okay, I gotta get it back. The third loss is like the hardest to accept. Like, let's just be fucking real. Her third loss is the hardest to accept, and you're constantly looking to recuperate. This is bad, terrible psychology, which I need to read Trading in the Zone, probably. Like, yeah, today was, to be fair though, like, with me, like, just give me some fucking grace, because this is untradeable. I was just being an idiot and trying to get in every single second that I could. Like, in real time, right, if you look at this, like, in real time, you're probably thinking, oh, I was thinking, this is low resistance liquidity, we're probably going to go up and run it. Which we probably will. Like, we probably will. Yeah. And I was happy walking away with a $100 loss yesterday. Because, yeah, bro. This is the reality of the come up, okay? You can't fake this shit. I'm gonna be very fucking successful in trading. I know I will. I just have to, just lock the fuck in my psychology. Because I think I'm okay. I think I'm okay at reading price. Like, I don't think that's the main thing. That's so funny. But no, I think, like, I was just getting wicked. Honestly, this isn't really chop on the 5-minute. Like, it's following order flow. If I was trading on the 5-minute, the only issue is, bro, like, it's like I'm not I'm not holding this, you know? Like, I'm scaling into the 1 minute and entering on this, you know? And of course this is gonna fucking spool now. The reason why I added a third position when I was up here is because it inversed this gap. And the reason why I didn't get out here or earlier was because it respected CE. And I was seeing that in real time. But yeah, on the 1 minute, this is definitely chop. On the 5 minute, it looks better. I think we just need to have a set risk per trade and do 1 to 2 trades a day, win or lose. How do I like solidify this? Holy shit, my laptop is about to die. How do I like, you just have to do it, right? I am a profitable trader. Affirmations. Yeah, dude, I knew this was gonna fucking run that high, bro. Oh my god. Okay, it's okay. We'll just get some more accounts. Matter of fact, I'm gonna load up on some on Monday. Or I'll just do it now, I guess. Dude, I was so close to my payout. Head ass. Oh, get funded. Wealth charts. God damn. Champagne trades. It's $54. Yeah, alright, Nez. You got me. You fucking got me. You fucking got me, Naz. Damn. Alright. Well, there's my draw. Here's my DOL. Getting hit in real time because I'm a fucking pussy and couldn't stay in that trade. You know what I'm going to start doing? Or gonna go back to doing, because what I was doing when I was super profitable back in 2024, I don't know what the fuck happened. I mean, I guess I just blew my account because I was over trading and risking. Dude, I blew like $7 grand, and I stopped live streaming. I stopped the entire YouTube thing, which I think I'm gonna make a video about because I want to start my YouTube again. Yeah, dude, it's like, I don't know. This is probably a very boring stream. But, no, I appreciate you for stopping by. Stopping by. Oh, shit, I'm retarded. It's gonna be a 3-day weekend. Fuck. I guess that means we gotta load up on accounts today, doesn't it? Yeah, dude, this is cooked. This is cooked, brother. Like, why can't Naz, like, riddle me this, motherfucker. Why can't Naz... Yeah, of course you're gonna fucking hit my draw. ES, you fucking cunt. Yeah, fuck you. Look at this shit, bro. I'm starting to get heated. Like, I'm okay with taking this loss, okay? I'm okay with this. Like, I'll take this shit any fucking day. Like, whatever. You know, it is what it is. Maybe I didn't have my stops all the way down here. It was actually, like, up here. This loss down here, I was thinking that this was being respected again, and that this order block, because I've seen this a couple of times. Well, many times, but I thought this was going to be respected on the 15-second, which is I should probably get off of, at least until I actually figure out my entries and exits. What else did I take? I think I went long here. I got fucked by this. And I went long again. Like, this is a good long, I feel like. You know, like if I just didn't scale in so heavy, which by the way, I knew I was in 6 contracts. I wasn't that was just acting for the stream, but like if I would have just put my stops where they should be, cuz my thing is like if this shit closes below an inversion gap after I get in, like, brother, we already spooled. Now we're repricing all the way back down. We closed below this inversion gap, so that's why I got out. And then look what the fuck happened. You know, this would have been shoulda, woulda, coulda, but close to like $1,800, which I would have been up, I think. Yeah, bro, this is gay as fuck. This is so gay. Just, alright. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I may rip some shorts. I don't know how smart that would be. But my computer's overheating. So what I'm going to do is just come back Tuesday. Fresh accounts. Fresh mindset. And just get back to funded. And you know what I'm gonna start doing though as well, like just being aggressive on fundeds overall, because you know, if you have the capital for it, which it's 54 bucks, like it is a lot of money still per account, like might as well, you know, because I've won so many trades this week, and I've also lost a lot of trades as well, don't get me wrong, obviously today, but what if I full ported evals, full ported fundeds, well, not full port, but obviously with the consistency rule and all that bullshit. To be fair, it's a $50 account, so I can get why they want consistency. So yeah, today wasn't really not a great day. I don't know what I'm doing on this checkout page. But yeah, this is now, what is my, can I see? Yeah, dude, 17 lost trades. Dude, my win rate is less than 29% now. That's not a good sign. I think this is some good data to track. I think I can use this data to actually like that there's a lot of analytics on FFF. Not a sponsored trader, by the way. But yeah, man. Alright. I'm gonna get to work. I'm gonna try and have a $600 day at my job, so that we can keep ripping these live streams, keep funding these accounts, and eventually get thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of payouts consistently. I know this will pay off. I just gotta not do what I just did today and fucking trade a bunch of times, even though I in the moment know that it's fucking chopping. So yeah, I guess it's also just an ego thing, like wanting to get off stream with the win, wanting to get back to break even, wanting to, I was at break even, like I literally I scaled in 6 contracts and I was break even on this trade, or I was break even on my account at 50K, so I could have, like, you know, but yeah, now we're down around 1,300, I think. So not the best end to the week, but is what it is. I'm going to try and get this account back up next Tuesday, and we'll be right back at it. Either way, I'm gonna get more accounts. I think that's another thing as well. Like having multiple accounts like UBs is probably the best idea because you're not like mentally like fucked whenever you lose one. It's like you said, you have 3 other accounts that are doing well, right? So I think that's actually a great idea to just invest in a bunch of accounts at once instead of trying to just focus on one and then fucking be in a mental rut after I lose the entire account. I hope that makes sense. And I hope somebody learned something out of this stream. I know I did. Well, I'll see if I learn next week. But I'm going to try and actively implement what I'm learning. I'm not actually learning. I'm just repeating the same mistakes. Like, I'm just being real. Just scaling into, number one, too heavy. Like, I was doing well until today because, I tilted. So, yeah. You know what I'm happy about, though? I'm happy that my draw on liquidity was correct. Like, I think that says something, Like, I'm not... Well, obviously, like, I had 2 sides to the market, like that low that I mentioned earlier and this high that just got ran. But, like, when you see structure being formed and you see a trade happening, like, I want to take that. I'm just going to risk it, right? And that's kind of my mentality, but I'm too risky sometimes. So I got to get back into the smooth of things, you know what I'm saying? And then Naz just be doing bullshit like this, like just dropping fucking 40 points in one candle in 20 seconds. So anyways, I'll see you on Monday. Have a great weekend. Or Tuesday, have a great weekend. Drink your fucking water. I'm going to go harass some clients so that I can buy more funded accounts. Rah! Alright, peace. Bye. Bye. Damn, bro, I really wish I was still in that trade. I literally got bottom ticked. I keep getting bottom ticked, and the only fucking reason why that keeps happening is because I'm getting out early and not letting my stops get ran. Well, I was in probably like up here. But it's just volatility too. Like, I'm just fucked when I have a 60-point stop. And then I have to get 60 points to make my 1-to-1. Yeah. Alright. I learned a lot today. I'm going to implement into my next trading day so that I'm not an unprofitable fuck for the rest of my life. And yeah, we'll get back at it soon. Take care.